The first thing we have to do is enter edit mode to program a show. Once in edit mode, press the show button. Pressing 1 as done here will bring up show number 1, and as you can see this show is empty. Before we can actually set the first scene of our show, we have to press the fixtures button, and this allows us to pick out via the number buttons which fixtures we want to change for the scene look. By pressing number 4, we've chosen to include the Mac 300 in our first scene. Now we can adjust the fixtures to the exact look we want. And when we're satisfied, we press the Add button. Notice that the display reads Scene 1 of 1. For the next scene in the show, we'll leave the Mac 300 untouched and add in the pair of MX4s. By looking at the red diodes just next to the number keys, you can decide which fixtures are affected when you move the sliders or the joystick. Remember that adding smoke during programming will not add smoke to the scene during playback. By pressing Add, we append this to the end of the previous scene, and now we have two scenes. For the third scene we add the Mac 250 and leave the other fixtures as they are. You've seen the basic procedure. Now watch as two more scenes are added. By pressing Edit, we leave the edit mode. The show is now ready for playback. Just press the show button and the show we just made will start playing. Notice that we've included progress bars which indicate respectively fade and wait times. Triggering either smoke or strobe does not affect playback of the show. Finally, you can stop the playback by hitting the show button again.